Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the brain and body connection, especially how they dance together during stress, mood swings, and those pesky mental health challenges. So buckle up as we explore how our minds and bodies team up, sometimes beautifully, sometimes messily, in a lighthearted way. Let's talk about stress and trauma. When life throws a curveball like a traumatic event, it can lead to post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. This condition isn't just all in your head, it involves complex changes in brain circuits, especially in areas like the amygdala, hippocampus, and prefrontal cortex. These regions handle fear, memory, and emotional regulation, and when they're disrupted, things can get pretty intense. The hippocampus, the seahorse-shaped brain part, is crucial for memory and context, but stress and trauma can impair its mitochondrial function, the tiny powerhouse inside our cells. When mitochondria aren't working properly, they produce too many reactive oxygen species, kind of like biochemical villains, causing damage, leading to issues like cognitive impairment and neuroplasticity problems. Mitochondria are the brain's energy factories. If they falter, everything from synapse strength to neurogenesis takes a hit. Our brains have a remarkable ability called neuroplasticity, like a flexible plastic that can bend and adapt. Activities like physical exercise and even certain therapies can boost neuroplasticity, helping the hippocampus bounce back and improve mitochondrial health. In fact, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, is like fertilizer for brain growth. When it comes to mental health conditions like depression or bipolar disorder, it's not about mood, it's about how neural circuits involving the limbic system, including the amygdala and anterior cingulate cortex, communicate. These areas influence fear, emotion regulation. Sometimes neurotransmitter systems like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA go out of balance, causing symptoms like low mood, anxiety, or irritability. Treatments like cognitive behavioral therapy act like mental gym workouts, helping rewire these circuits, while medications like SSRIs help restore neurotransmitter harmony. Our brains also rely on a web of biochemical messengers and hormones such as corticotropin releasing factor and neuropeptide Y, which modulate a stress response. And then there's the gut-brain axis, a highway connecting our gastrointestinal system and brain. The gut microbiota, the trillions of microbes living in our intestines, communicate with the brain via the vagus nerve, acting like a biochemical messenger system. So whether it's strengthening mitochondria with exercise, rewiring neural circuits with therapy, or calming the gut-brain axis through lifestyle tweaks, there's a lot we can do to support mental and physical health. Remember, the brain and body are like best friends. Sometimes they need a little help to stay in sync. They can keep us feeling resilient, balanced, and ready to take on life's adventures. Stay curious, stay kind to yourself, and keep nurturing that beautiful brain of yours.